Welcome to the heart of Cambodia, a land rich in biodiversity, cultural heritage, and breathtaking natural wonders. Today we explore a unique and fascinating wild fruit known locally as Pring, Java plum. We will also learn how to make a traditional wine using this fruit in Cambodia called SRA Pring, Pring wine. Today we explore a unique and fascinating wild fruit known locally as Pring, Java plum. We will also learn the traditional process of making wine using this fruit in Cambodia called SRA Pring, Pring wine. Whenever the Pring, also known as Java plum, season arrives, the people in my country are eager to enjoy this delicious fruit. Pring has numerous health benefits and is loved by many for its unique taste. Pring from different countries around the world varies in size and taste. Do you like plums? As for me, I absolutely love eating Pring. Because I eat Pring every day, I've also developed a fondness for Pring wine. Today, I'm excited to teach you how to make Pring wine, also known as Java plum wine. This method is a newly discovered idea by my people. Making Java plum wine is surprisingly simple. Can you believe that with just sugar and Java plums, we can create a delicious wine? Let's start by picking all the Pring from their stems. Next, select the right Pring with a sweet and sour taste. Wash the Pring thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Now, put the Pring into the jar. Add a layer of Pring into the jar, then sprinkle some sugar over them. Repeat this layering process until the jar is full. After filling the jar with Pring and sugar, seal the jar tightly. Leave the jar in a cool, dark place for 2 months. This allows the flavors to develop and the wine to mature. And there you have it, a simple and delicious way to make Pring wine at home. Enjoy the unique flavor and health benefits of this homemade Java plum wine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting recipes and tutorials.